Watermelon juice, for heart health, liver protection and more. Watermelon juice is the juice that is removed from the watermelon fruit. It is a member of the melon family that has the scientific name Citrullus lanatus var. Lanatus that grows on a creeping vine. This juice is very sweet and can be prepared in many different ways, depending on the other ingredients you may add to change the flavor. Watermelon juice has many impressive nutrients and can be a great addition to a healthy diet. Health benefits of watermelon juice. 1. Blood pressure maintenance. The magnesium and potassium, along with the acids in the watermelon, combine to help maintain smooth blood flow and keep blood vessels healthy. Also, watermelon can help maintain acid balance and proper electrolyte, which are all important for a stable blood pressure level. A study that was published in the American Journal of Hypertension reported that watermelon possesses the ability to reduce blood pressure in overweight people. 2. Heart health. Watermelon is loaded with lycopene, which is an antioxidant that helps to diffuse free radicals that could potentially damage organs and tissues of the body. 3. Liver protection. A study that was published in September 2011 in Food and Chemical Toxicology studied the watermelon juice's potential therapeutic effects on the liver. In the research, administration of watermelon juice lessened liver damage from carbon tetrachloride to exposure. This toxic chemical is present in the industrial products and air, and it is known to damage the liver, kidneys, and brain. 4. Muscle soreness recovery and relief. A study from the August 2013 issue of Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry reported that watermelon may help in reducing heart rate recovery and muscle soreness in athletes. The study's authors noted L-citrulline, an amino acid present in watermelon, which is effective in reducing muscle soreness, and the study used both L-citrulline itself and watermelon juice. The study found that L-citrulline was absorbed better when in watermelon than alone, and concluded that watermelon juice is effective in reducing heart rate recovery and muscle soreness. 5. Prevents cancer. Various research studies were conducted to determine the anti-cancer effects of watermelon. A 2014 study showed that the lycopene content in watermelon is the star nutrient that helps in protecting you from DNA damage. Also, it suggests that lycopene from watermelon and watermelon juice contains anti-proliferative properties, which help in lowering the rate of cancer prevalence. Watermelon juice recipe. Ingredients: 2 mint leaves, 1 cup watermelon, pinch of salt. Directions: drop the watermelon cubes into the blender. Give it a spin. Pour the watermelon juice into a glass. Add a pinch of salt, then stir well. Garnish using mint leaves. Drink and enjoy.